So you have been wanting to whiten your teeth, but you are fearing the cost that the dentist is going to charge you. Well, I have put for you 10 natural effective methods that you can use to whiten your teeth right at the comfort of your home. But before you start using any of these methods, make sure that your teeth are in the right shape. If your teeth have any problems, have it sorted. But also make sure that your brushing is top notch. If you're not sure whether you're brushing correctly, please check out our videos on tooth brushing and make sure your brushing is correct. That's the only way you're going to benefit from these methods. Method number 10, turmeric. Turmeric is a powder we use every day in our curry powder or directly for its other health benefits. We put in our food as a spice. But did you know that research has shown that this turmeric is very, very effective in whitening your teeth? Well, to use this method, get a quarter teaspoonful of turmeric powder, add it with a quarter teaspoonful of baking soda, then add 1/8 a teaspoonful of coconut oil, and then for the flavor you can add 3 drops of mint flavor extract. Mix them together and use it for brushing, and then you rinse it. Do this 2 or 3 times a week for a few weeks, and then you'll be having sparkling white teeth. Number 9, strawberries. I'm sure you have been enjoying these strawberries for other benefits, most especially for their vitamins. But you also know that these strawberries have an ingredient which is very, very useful and has been shown to whiten your teeth. Well, that is also correct. What you do is very simple. Just get those strawberries, mash them into a paste. Then add just a quarter spoonful of baking soda in a glass of mashed strawberry and use it for brushing like the way you do with any other toothpaste. Leave it there in the mouth for about 3 minutes and then rinse it off. This also you can do 3 times a week. After a few weeks, your teeth will be sparkling white. Method number 8, baking soda. You can just decide to use it alone. What you do, take some baking soda powder, add just a little water, just enough to make a paste, and then you apply it on the teeth. You can either use it for brushing or apply it gently on your teeth. Leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, then you rinse it off. But this baking soda being very strong, you cannot use it frequently. So I advise that you can use it once a week. Use it once a week for a few weeks and then your teeth will be white. Number 7, activated charcoal. Yes, that same charcoal that you have been using when you have stomach upset or any other reason. You know, the one which they say if you have eaten something poisonous, like food poisoning issue, you swallow. That same activated charcoal is very, very useful in whitening teeth. In fact, it has become so famous that some companies are putting it in their own toothpaste. But you don't have to spend on that toothpaste. Just get this activated charcoal, crush it into a powder, dip your toothbrush into water, then get the wet toothbrush, put it on the powder, and use it for brushing regularly. In fact, it can whiten your teeth up to 3 shades lighter. So isn't that wonderful? Number 6, baking soda plus lemon juice. Well, as you know, baking soda has a cleansing effect and it has an abrasive. And then lemon juice has vitamin C, which is acidic in nature. So this mild acid plus the cleaning effect of the soda in combination will work better than either one of them alone. So how do you use it? Just get a pinch of baking soda, put it on your toothbrush. After that, just put a few drops of lemon juice and brush, at most once a week. for several weeks until you are satisfied with the whiteness of your teeth, then you can stop. Alternatively, you can decide that you are going to make a different combination, including toothpaste. So what you do, you take 1 teaspoonful of baking soda, then 2 tea tablespoonfuls of water, then add toothpaste and drop your lemon juice onto the toothpaste, and then use it for brushing. This one, since it has the toothpaste and then it has the water, is a bit milder. So you can use it twice a week for brushing until you are satisfied with the results. Then you can stop. Number 5. This is the commonest one. Hydrogen peroxide. However, you have to be careful because this has a tendency to make your teeth sensitive. So if your teeth are sensitive in the first place, don't use it, or use it with caution. So the recommended concentration of the hydrogen peroxide, which is ideal, is either 1.5% or 3%. Now you are wondering, how do I know it is 3%, 1.5%? Well, it is simple. The hydrogen peroxide that you find in the pharmacy or drug shop is normally 3%. So you can use it as it is, or you can decide to dilute it to 1.5%. That means that just add an equal volume of water. Then it has become half its concentration. And then you use it. And how do you use it? You can take a cotton swab, similar to the one we use for cleaning the ears. Dip it into the hydrogen peroxide and smear it on your teeth. And then you leave it for about 2 minutes. After that, then you rinse it. Alternatively, you can get 2 teaspoonfuls of hydrogen peroxide, add 1 teaspoonful of baking soda, then you use it for brushing. Do this twice a week, and then you will have your teeth whitened. Number 4. Sea salt, lemon juice, and toothpaste. Well, as you know, there are so many benefits of salt in the mouth, including antibacterial effects and the ability to freshen your breath. So, how do you use these 3? What you do, take a half teaspoonful of sea salt, add fresh lemon juice, then add toothpaste. Mix the 3 together and use it for brushing. Leave it in the mouth for 5 minutes and rinse off. This should be able to whiten your teeth if you do it twice a week. But if you are not satisfied with the level of whiteness, then you can repeat it the following week until you are satisfied with the result. Number 3. Dilute apple cider vinegar. Vinegar, as you know, removes stains and kills bacteria. But this is how you should use it for the purpose of whitening. Simply add 1 teaspoonful of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water, a glass of 300 ml of water. Then just use it for gargling. Gargle it every day before brushing. You don't have to worry about the acidity of the vinegar because the water into which you are adding it will balance out the acidity. So you can use it regularly until you are happy with the results. Alternatively, you can take the apple cider vinegar direct and apply it on the teeth. Leave it there for about 5 minutes, and then after that, rinse it off and proceed with your normal brushing. This will also whiten your teeth, but because you are applying the vinegar directly onto your teeth, then I recommend that you use it only once a week, because if you use it more than that, the vinegar might damage the surface of your teeth. Number 2. I bet you didn't know this one. Pineapple juice. Yes, the same pineapple you are always enjoying. Plus lemon juice, and then you can mix together with the toothpaste. Well, studies have revealed that there's an ingredient in pineapple, if added into toothpaste, has a tendency to remove stains better than regular toothpaste. Now, this is how you should use it for this case. Take 1 teaspoonful of pineapple juice, add 1 teaspoonful of lemon juice, and then you can add a half teaspoonful of baking soda. You mix this together and then you add toothpaste. Use it to brush your teeth and leave it on the teeth for 5 minutes. By the time you rinse out this combination, your teeth will be sparkling white. Number 1. I'm sure this is the one you have been waiting for. This one we refer to it as the super remedy. It combines the benefits of all the others we have mentioned before. So basically, you take toothpaste, the regular toothpaste you use, add in sea salt, add in baking soda and lemon juice, and then you can use it. But this is precisely how you mix them. Take 2 tablespoonfuls of toothpaste, add a 1/4 teaspoonful of salt, and then add a 1/4 teaspoonful of baking soda and 4 drops of lemon juice. Mix this together to form a uniform paste, and then use it for brushing for only 4 to 5 minutes. This one being a super remedy, your teeth will be white as you like it. And this one is not repeated until after 2 months, because the results you will find after those 4-5 minutes will last a long time. Well, there you have it. 10 different methods of whitening your teeth. The choice is yours. Pick one and stick to it until you get the results you want. And don't forget to mention where you got the information of how to whiten your teeth when you start receiving those compliments. In fact, when your friends start asking you how you manage to whiten your teeth, share this video with them so that they can also whiten their teeth, and you have a community of confident human beings. If you have liked the information in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe so that you continue watching more informative videos, and turn on that notification bell so that you get notified the next time we upload another informative video, so that you keep smiling with confidence. See you next time. Bye bye.